Competitiveness, quality, dynamics, and performance in one of the most modern bottling plants in Europe. That is the recipe for rapid success, and the secret to this award-winning brand that quenches thirst on 4 continents and helps consumers shift into higher gear. The 33-hectare greenfield investment is characterized by continuous growth and development. Accompanying the plant, there is a 6,000 square meter packaging and raw material warehouse, 2 finished goods warehouses with a total capacity of 35,000 pallets, as well as a 42,000 square meter beverage can factory. The newest innovation on site is a fully automated elevated warehouse with a capacity of up to 32,000 pallets of goods. These are the parameters of a complex programmed for professional performance, far from reaching its utmost capacity. Following ever-increasing standards, the brand has become a market leader in several countries and now competes on equal terms with global brands. Hell is the only player in the energy drink sector to perform the full scope of production stages in their own plant. The systems and technologies used by Hell, as well as their organizational capabilities, have elevated the Hungarian brand to the level of the highest performing multinational corporations. The signature Hell Energy cans are also produced locally. Inaugurated in 2017, Quality Pack, the first aluminium beverage can factory in Hungary, was constructed in only 8 months. The annual output of the factory is 1.5 billion 250 milliliter cans and can tops, utilizing a state-of-the-art ultra-efficient technology. These aluminium cans undergo 13 different operations and several control stages, traveling over 800 meters on the production line. Production is fully automated and lightning fast, with no less than 3,000 final products completed in a single minute. As a member of the Hell Group of companies, Quality Pack strives for ongoing improvement and environmentally conscious innovation. The products, made from 100% recycled aluminium, feature the unique innovation of easy open tabs with finger access. Patented in 28 European countries, the innovation has won the Euro Can Tech Innovation 2018 award. The journey of liquid energy commences with 8 deep drill wells. The high-quality mineral water reaches the water treatment facility of the plant through a closed circuit made of stainless acid-proof steel pipelines. The mineral content of the water is optimized with, among others, active carbon filters. Only the finest drinking water can guarantee the luxury of utmost quality. The treated water then arrives into 2 beverage preparation rooms, the most modern of their kind in Hungary. The drinks produced here owe their unique aroma to the utmost quality of the ingredients. Hell is original in every sense of the word, with only the finest granulated sugar being used for the syrups. This is what fills the drinks with true energy. Dosing and mixing are both computer controlled. The operator selects the correct recipe, and production begins right away. The first control point on the production line oversees the distribution of aluminium cans coming from Quality Pack, making sure no traffic jams occur. The second checkpoint sees a computer photographing the cans. The system rejects all damaged or contaminated products. Before they are filled, every can is turned and rinsed from the inside. Now we arrive to the heart of the plant, the bottling nozzles. These fill the cans with fizzy, refreshing power. Loads of cans arrive so fast you can barely see them. This machine, similar to the rotary cylinder of a revolver, can fill 175 cans in a single turn, or 120,000 cans every hour. Cans are sealed as soon as they are filled, but the production cycle is far from over. Sealed cans go through a fill level control. Customers cannot receive cans which are filled to less than the optimal level. These perfect cans are loaded upside down into the 2-level pasteurizer. That is the guarantee of long-lasting quality. Unlike many of its competitors, Hell drinks contain no preservatives. This box contains temperature sensors. The pasteurizer is checked 12 times a day. The steam in the machine is produced by 4 furnaces. In 8 hours, they produce 120 tons of steam. Enough to heat a town of 18,000 inhabitants for a day. The predictable dynamics of the conveyors is ensured by automation. The computers controlling the production machines constantly communicate with each other. If there is a bottleneck at any point, the entire system reacts to that, automatically realigning the rhythm of production. Apart from using the highest technology, the Hell Energy plant is also characterized by continuous professional control. Every hour, lab technicians monitor the volume, density, carbonic acid content, and pH value of the final product, as well as the quality and ratio of raw materials, subjecting the drink to stringent microbiological tests. Product quality is ensured by 3 major food product safety certifications: FSSC 22000, IFS, and BRC. The drinks are also halal, kosher, and FDA certified. There is also constant development in warehouse logistics. This little robot strives to optimize storage. It binds cardboard sheets to make sure not an inch of space is wasted when goods are loaded onto pallets. The final products are shrink-wrapped and moved from the end of the production line to the 25,000 square meter final product warehouse with no human intervention. But the total storage capacity is far more than that. The newest building on the premises is a 4,500 square meter elevated warehouse, which has a capacity of 32,000 pallets. It is a huge building. The logo type itself is almost 5 meters tall on the facade, and the walls reach up to 30 meters. But size is not everything. Intelligent warehouse logistics are similar to what major automakers use in their production systems. The entire building is automated. Humans are only needed for maintenance. Everything else is robotized, with 6 cranes working in complete darkness. No lighting is needed. The building uses sensors to see. Everything is controlled by a proprietary software. It controls the 2-way conveyor path that runs within the 300-meter bridge structure connecting the warehouse with the filling plants. Empty packs made by Quality Pack move through the elevated warehouse to the filling line on an automated and enclosed conveyor without human intervention. After the containers are filled, the drinks, now loaded onto pallets, are moved down to the 6 docking gates. Once everything is ready to ship out, the bottles are transported by one of the most professional players in the international freight forwarding market. The products reach domestic stores and international distributors through BHS Trans Kft, the strategic partner of Hell. The journey that began with the water emerging from the depths is concluded with a pop and a hiss. That is where the real fun begins.